My name is Ian, and this is the cup and saucer plant, or the cup and saucer vine. Now, typically it comes in a purple, which is Cobaea scandens. I found some seed, and this is Cobaea scandens alba, which is the white version. Sizable, substantial flowers, and just look at that. It's a very complex flower, very substantial. And the plant can easily grow 8 feet in a year, but it needs a bit of protection in the winter. So I dig it up, cut it back, and put it in a windowsill, and I can keep it there on tick over, ready to plant out next year. Now, you're unlikely to find this for sale in garden centres, and that's not because it's difficult, it's just that people don't know it exists. So I encourage you to go and find the white form of Cobaea scandens. Cobaea scandens alba.